Hello everyone. In this video session, we're gonna tell you, or we're gonna talk about the Excel function which is called transpose. So what transpose does is, let's say that you have a data vertically here, you can just make it horizontally. So let's say you have a range of data here. You can see what the name, phone number, and department, and you would like to get the same data in a horizontal, view. For example, if you see that here, like that way, and yeah, so there is an option that you can use that is called paste special, and the option is transpose function in Excel that you can use. So we're gonna show you that how you can do that. So
PC Guide for You is here to help you with your issues. For more updates, subscribe now.
okay, so make sure that you have the headings in your column, not in the rows like earlier. So you should have your headings in the column, like I have on column E. So I would like to transpose or move the data here in this place. So what we're gonna do here? So basically, you should just copy that. You just select the range of data, not headings, only the data. Select the range of data, press Control C to copy, and once you're done, then just go to the cell here, F, just besides the name, and do a right click on it. When you do a right click, you will get a list of options. So under paste option, you have some certain options. Even though if you just hover your mouse on those, you will see preview. So not that one we're looking for. This is values, and this is again formula. So this is transpose. You can see the T. So this is what we're looking for. So once you just click on that transpose option, and here you have the data. We are done here. So once you're done, just you can just go ahead and just remove the vertical data, and you got your data in the horizontal, the mode with the name, phone number, department, or whatever you that. If you have the long list of headings on your Excel sheet. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching.